Hello everyone, I am Tarun Valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 10 of 100 Days of Cloud by KodeKloud. In the day 10 task, we are going to attach an Elastic IP to the already running EC2 instance. So for that, let's start the task. Here we can see there is an instance named Xfusion EC2 and an Elastic IP named with Xfusion EC2 EIP in a region in the default region of East US East 1. So we're going to attach the Elastic IP to the EC2 instance. So for that, click on this URL and log in. Click on this URL and log into the console. Now search for EC2. Click on EC2. Elastic IP means, it's in simple words, it is in a static IP address that won't change. If you see, there is an instance that was already in running state. If you click on the instance ID to get the more details about this instance, if you see here, this is the public IP assigned to this EC2 instance. If we shut down or if we stop this instance, the public IP of this instance will be changed. Or if you assign any Elastic IP to this instance, then there is no need to get the public IP of every time when we are restarting the instance. So we can simply use the Elastic IP that is attached to this instance. So in this task we are going to attach the Elastic IP. So click on instances. You can see this instance is running. Now click on dashboard. Here we can see here there is one Elastic IP is available. Click on Elastic IP and we need to allocate this. So click on associate Elastic IP address. Now we need to choose the resource type. So in this task we are going to assign the Elastic IP to the instance. So that's why we need to choose the instance, and we need to choose the instance. And here we can see, you can see here the instance was in running state, and that was I am selecting here. Now click on associate. Now we can see here we are successfully associated the IP address. Click on dashboard and check on Elastic IPs. Click on instance details. Now we can see this is the instance ID that we are associated the Elastic IP. If you click on that, you will get the details of instance that I am having associated to the IP. So we can see here this is associated with the Elastic IP. Now let's try to check the task. You can see here we have successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.